Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. Me and Sheetal are here. Hi Sheetal.
Hi, Sunil.
Happy Navratri.
Happy Navratri to all.
So how it's going on fasting?
Super.
Good. So what is there special today?
So I've made Sabudana Waffle.
Wow, it's looking yummy and very presentable. So Sheetal has made Sabudana Waffle, you can see. And so this is in our series of Navratri special, one more recipe that is unique recipe. You can try and enjoy, and Sheetal has served it with?
This is curd and peanut chutney.
Wow.
This is again for
fasting. Okay. Yum, crispy and soft.
And this is something different. Usually we have Sabudana khichdi, Sabudana vada.
Yes.
This is waffle
very
without very less oil.
Okay.
So it's healthy.
So this is low fat, healthy.
Yes.
And I'm sure definitely going to make it. So let's hear how Sheetal has prepared it. Okay, Sheetal?
Sure. So let's see the ingredients for Sabudana waffle. Soaked Sabudana 2 cup, 1 full lemon juice, peanut powder 1 cup, cumin powder, salt, green chilli and coriander paste, and 2 boiled potato. So let's see the procedure. We'll mix all the ingredients: potatoes, peanut powder, salt according to your taste, cumin powder, lemon juice, green chilli and coriander paste. This is also according to your taste. Chillies. We'll mix this well. It's like Sabudana vada only. All the ingredients.
Batter is like that.
Batter is like that. We heat the waffle machine.
So no need to grease it?
No, we'll grease this.
Okay, we'll grease.
We'll grease this with little bit of oil. With the help of little bit of water, we'll spread this. Evenly. Now we'll close this and we'll keep it for 15 minutes. You can see our waffle is ready. We'll serve this now. So now our Sabudana waffle is ready to serve. I have served this with curd and peanut chutney dip. You can serve this with green chutney also.
So in our series of Navratri special, food for fasting, this is Sabudana waffle served with curd and peanut chutney dip. Enjoy your festive season with our unique cuisines. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you.